Hey yo, what it do, people, and welcome back to our lovely channel. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like, comment on this video. Making it to today's headline is Flash Kumkani of MT Records. Flash Kumkani has officially announced his departure from MT Records after he sent MT a WhatsApp text saying that he's leaving and he thanked him for the opportunity that he gave him. On the podcast, he explains the reason why he left MT Records. Things got very controversial over the social media, especially Facebook and Twitter, where fans accused Flash Kumkani for using MT to gain fame and then disappeared. Without wasting any further time, let's check out the interview of Flash Kumkani about MT Records and why he left.
Like abanjani ama-challenges wakhona, you know. So what challenges were you going through while you were still there?
Eyona ngxaki inkulu suke lockdown
Yeah.
yabo. Asenza imali grand. Nendaba ye-studio yabo. Studio asinaso grand yabo. So recorder kwabantu abahlukeneyo yabo. Yeah. So enye yezizathu zami ke ezo yabona qonda because no hustler besandolahlekelwa uLebza yabo. RIP to Lebza beka manager EmteeRecords yabo.
Yeah.
So uhustler ke naye indoda enosapho lwayo yabo enengxaki zayo.
Yeah.
So mina kahle benimcingela naye yabo.
Does he see it that way though?
Xa ndibona izinto azithethileyo ku Twitter andiboni ngelo hlobo yabo.
For more on the story, please follow the link down below and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great one. Till next time.